Did you know that 65% of lottery winners go broke within 15 years? It's not about how much money you make. It's about where you put that money. While the poor focus on looking rich, the wealthy focus on being rich by investing in these 11 specific areas. Today, we're sitting down with financial expert Comfort to break down these game-changing investment strategies. From real estate to intellectual property, personal branding to time management, we're about to show you exactly how the wealthy think differently about investing their money.
Hey Comfort, have you ever noticed that while most people are busy binging on reality TV, the rich are busy upgrading their brains? I mean, they treat every book and online course like it's a golden ticket to success. Instead of wasting hours on mindless scrolling, they're turning every aha moment into a solid deposit in their knowledge bank.
Absolutely, Sam Top. I recently signed up for an online class on digital innovation, just because I wanted to see how far I could stretch my mind. It felt like each new fact was interest accruing on my mental savings account. And let's be honest, while some of us are content with reruns of our favorite sitcoms, the wealthy invest in self-education as if they're preparing for a lifelong treasure hunt. Every seminar, every quirky workshop is a stepping stone towards bigger opportunities.
Exactly. So here's our message to everyone watching. Invest in your mind today. Open that textbook, sign up for that course, and start earning those interest points for your future. Ensure you commit to learning something new this week and watch your future self rejoice. Self-education is the ultimate asset. Each new knowledge gained builds the foundation for tomorrow's success.
Absolutely correct. Every nugget of knowledge compounds into a wealth of opportunities. Make time to invest in your learning and see your life transform positively.
Comfort, let's chat about one of the richest investments out there. People. Ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? The rich are always out there making connections, turning casual conversations into golden opportunities. It's like every handshake is a mini investment in their future.
Oh, absolutely, Sam Top. I recently attended a swanky cocktail party where every conversation felt like discovering a secret treasure map. Instead of just swapping business cards, people were exchanging ideas, dreams, and even a few laughs. It's the kind of networking that builds lasting relationships, ones that open doors to new ventures and unexpected collaborations. Yes, strong relationships are the true currency of success. Nurture your connections and see how they can transform your life in ways you can't imagine. Promise to pick up the phone after watching this to call that old friend of yours. Who knows? You might spark the renewed beginning of a mutually beneficial relationship.
Right you are. So, to everyone watching, don't shy away from a good chat. Get out there, meet new people, and remember that every genuine connection could be the key to unlocking your next big opportunity. Invest in your relationships and watch your personal network flourish. Every handshake and smile builds the foundation of success. Expand your network and turn everyday conversations into future achievements. What was the most amazing conversation you've had this week about? Tell us in the comment section. Now, Comfort, let's flex not just our brains, but our bodies. While some folks treat the gym like a chore, the rich see health and fitness as their most valuable assets. They invest in premium gyms, personal trainers, and even high-tech wearables. I remember the time I joined a high-energy fitness class that made me feel like I was training for a superhero mission. Talk about a mood booster.
Absolutely spot on. A strong body is the foundation for a strong mind. Start small, be consistent, and transform your health into your most prized asset.
So here's a challenge to you. Make your health a priority. Whether it's a brisk walk or a full gym session, invest in your fitness and watch how it pays off in energy, confidence, productivity, and discipline. Investing in your health is the best decision you can make, but it is also important to choose a workout routine you can be consistent with, as you will only reap the true benefit if the workout becomes a true part of your life. All right, Comfort. Let's talk about real estate. While many complain about rent hikes and cramped apartments, the rich are out there turning plots of land into gold mines. They see potential where others see a simple piece of dirt. I recently toured a fixer-upper that looked like it belonged on a renovation show, and I couldn't help but imagine the endless possibilities.
Totally correct, Sam. It's amazing how a rundown property can transform into a dream home with the right vision. The wealthy treat real estate like an art project. Every brick laid is like adding interest to their financial portfolio. Instead of paying rent, they're busy building assets that appreciate over time. I even heard of someone who bought a small property, renovated it, and then turned it into a trendy hotspot. It's like planting a money tree that grows more valuable every day.
Exactly. So, our advice to you watching is simple. Start exploring real estate opportunities. Even a modest property in the right location can be the first step to building your own legacy. Real estate isn't just about buildings. It's about building a future. Comfort. Buckle up because we're about to dive into the wild world of stocks and bonds. Think of the stock market as the ultimate roller coaster, full of thrilling ups and nerve-wracking dips. The rich treat every market fluctuation as an opportunity to buy low and sell high. I still remember my first trade. It felt like I was in a high-stakes game show where every share was a ticket to a money carnival.
Oh, definitely, Sam. And let's not forget about bonds. They're like that reliable friend who always shows up on time. While stocks give you the adrenaline rush, bonds provide the steady heartbeat to your portfolio. I once joked that riding the market was like being on a roller coaster that occasionally hands you cotton candy. The trick is to embrace the risk, learn from the dips, and celebrate every little win along the way. Every trade is a lesson and a stepping stone to financial freedom. You should plan to begin your investment journey today and let the market work for you.
Exactly. So here's a pro tip. Use market fluctuations as opportunities to build your wealth. You can start by investing a small amount in diversified stocks and bonds to feel the thrill of financial growth without the heart-stopping risk. Stocks and bonds create a balanced portfolio where risk meets reliability. Embrace the market's ups and downs to build a stronger financial future. Comfort. Let's get creative. Why do you think the rich are so obsessed with patents and intellectual property? It's like they're busy locking down every brilliant idea before someone else can steal their secret sauce.
Oh, Sam, it's all about protecting your genius. When you have a groundbreaking idea, you want to secure it like you'd lock up a treasure chest. The wealthy treat every original thought as an asset that can generate royalties for years. I once read about an inventor who turned a quirky doodle into a multi-million-dollar gadget just by patenting it. Imagine that. A simple idea that, with the right protection, could change your life forever.
Exactly. So here's a tip for you. If you've got a creative spark, don't let it slip away. Protect your ideas through patents or copyrights, and turn your creativity into a lasting investment. Every invention starts with one brave step. All right, comfort. Let's venture into the wild frontier of startups and venture capital. Ever feel like the rich are on an endless treasure hunt for the next unicorn while the rest of us are busy searching for our car keys? Startups are like the roller coaster rides of business, thrilling, unpredictable, and sometimes a little wild.
Oh, I couldn't agree more, Sam. I remember when I first dipped my toes into the startup pool. It felt like joining a secret club of bold dreamers. The wealthy see potential in every fledgling idea, even if it starts in a cramped garage. They invest in these ventures like nurturing a tiny seed into a money tree. Every risk taken is a chance to reap enormous rewards. It's both a daring leap and a strategic move. I even heard about venture capitalists who cheer on failures as stepping stones to massive breakthroughs. Embrace your entrepreneurial spirit, support a promising startup, or even start one yourself. Invest in innovation, and be ready for the wild ride to success. Every startup has the potential to redefine industries. Embrace risk, invest wisely, and watch the future unfold.
Yes, take that leap of faith and support creative ideas. Look for opportunities in early-stage ventures and let your investments help shape the future. Startups are the breeding ground of tomorrow's breakthroughs. Venture into innovative investments and back the ideas that excite you. Comfort. Let's switch gears to something that's as beautiful as it is profitable. Art and collectibles. While many people see art as just pretty pictures, the rich treat every masterpiece as a solid investment. Imagine walking into a gallery where every brushstroke is not only a burst of creativity, but also a potential gold mine.
Oh, I totally agree, Sam. Art isn't just decoration, it's an investment in culture, history, and even your personal style. I once attended an auction where a quirky, offbeat painting ended up appreciating in value over time. The savvy investors know that each collectible holds a story, and that, with the right piece, your living space becomes a curated treasure trove. It's like having a conversation starter on your wall that also boosts your net worth. Start exploring art and collectibles that speak to you. Even a small, unique piece can grow in value and personality over time. Collectibles are timeless treasures that appreciate with history. Invest in art that tells your story and enriches your financial portfolio.
Yes, you are right. Comfort. Let your walls tell a story of success. Action. Seek out unique pieces and let them inspire and enrich your life while adding to your portfolio. Art turns aesthetics into assets. Every masterpiece is an investment in beauty and legacy. All right, comfort. Let's talk about experiences. The kind that money can't buy, unless you invest in them. While some folks hoard material possessions, the rich pour resources into travel and unforgettable experiences. Picture yourself exploring hidden gems, tasting exotic cuisines, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Every journey is like a treasure chest of wisdom and inspiration.
Oh, absolutely, Sam. I recently returned from a trip where every moment felt like a new chapter in a grand adventure. The wealthy know that experiences enrich the soul and broaden the mind. Instead of accumulating more stuff, they invest in journeys that transform their perspectives and fuel their creativity. Whether it's a serene mountain retreat or an urban escapade full of surprises, these experiences pay dividends in joy, inspiration, and personal growth. Step out of your comfort zone and invest in an experience that excites you. Travel, explore, and let each adventure add a vibrant chapter to your life story. Believe me, every journey adds a new, unique experience that expands your horizons and builds your inner wealth.
Yes, experiences create memories that compound in value. Invest in travel and let every adventure enrich your life. Let every journey be an investment in your future self. Plan that trip, explore a new destination, and collect moments that will last forever. Comfort? Let's get personal. Literally. The rich know that building a strong personal brand is one of the best investments you can make. It's like curating your own masterpiece, where every social media post, public appearance, and interaction adds value to your reputation. I once met someone who treated each tweet as if it were a mini billboard for success.
Absolutely, Sam. In today's world, your personal brand is your most valuable asset. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just trying to stand out in your career, crafting a powerful image can open doors you never even knew existed. Think of it this way. Every positive interaction and carefully curated post is an investment in your future. The rich invest in professional headshots, networking events, and consistent messaging that tells a compelling story about who they are and what they represent. Take control of your narrative. Polish your online presence and invest in your personal brand. Let your reputation be the stepping stone to your next big opportunity. A strong reputation builds bridges to success. Craft your story, share it proudly, and let your personal brand shine.
Yes, build your brand with intention and watch opportunities multiply. Start today by updating your profile or sharing your story with the world. Your personal brand is a living asset that opens doors to opportunity. Invest in your image and let every interaction elevate your future. All right, comfort. Let's wrap things up by talking about something we all wish we had more of: time. The rich know that time is the most valuable asset, so they invest in smart time management and delegation. Instead of trying to do everything themselves, they hire experts, automate tasks, and focus on what truly matters. I once tried to handle every single task on my own and ended up with a to-do list longer than my arm.
Oh, I've been there, Sam. It's like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle. The secret is to delegate and use technology to manage your time efficiently. When you free up your schedule, you open the door to creativity, growth, and yes, more time for the things you love. The rich understand that every minute saved is a mini investment in their future success. Start prioritizing your time. Use a planner, delegate tasks, and invest in systems that free you up to focus on your big goals. Don't let your time slip away. Make every minute count. Time well managed is the secret to a fulfilling life. Take control of your schedule today and delegate the rest so you can focus on what truly moves you forward. Organize your day and delegate tasks to make every minute count.
Delegation turns overwhelming tasks into opportunities for success. Master your schedule and invest in your time. It's the one asset you can never get back. Most people say, time is money, but I'll tell you today that time is infinitely more valuable than money. You can always make more money, but you can never make more time. And that is it for today. Join us on our next video, where we bring you another great insights in the world of money and investments. Ensure you subscribe, share, and like. Have a productive week ahead.